Hey guys, I promised you all another Eid tutorial and this is it. You wanted something a little bit more glam, so that's what I've done today. This look is pretty different to the one that I uploaded the other day. It's a lot more dramatic and I've got two lip options. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into the look and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, first things guys, I dyed my own eyebrows today so they look a bit chunky, and I also got dye on my fingers, so excuse that. I'm gonna start out with primer, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer. How cool is the packaging? I just opened it from my PR deliveries just then. So, oh my gosh, it looks nice. It looks like, oh dear. I've just put glitter on my face. Oh, it looks nice when you blend it out. Oh my gosh. I'm so reflective. I look like a disco ball. Did you guys ever read Enid Blyton when you were a kid? I look like Moonface. I won't lie, that looks absolutely gorgeous on the skin. I feel like if I put fake tan on my face and then I put that on, ooh. I'm gonna stick with the drugstore for the base. You guys did request that I do a look fully with drugstore, but I think I'm gonna mix high and low end. Anyway, this is another L'Oreal product. This is Infallible 24-Hour Matte. I am trying to use really well-known brands that will probably be in like every country. Ooh. So now I'm using the Infallible 24-Hour Matte in Golden Beige, and I'll apply that with a sponge. Ooh, skin looks really good. I also started using a retinoid treatment at nighttime from Peter Thomas Roth, the 1.5% one. That, literally after a week of me using it, I really feel like it's making a big difference. I almost feel like I should do another nighttime routine because I've had to switch up what order I do my skincare routine in, because you shouldn't mix, you know, the retinoids with glycolic acid, which is in my Pixie toner. So I've changed, you know, I use my Pixie toner in the morning now and then a different toner at night before the retinoid treatment. So maybe I should do another one, even though I literally did it like 2 months ago. Wow, my skin looks really good. Bit more. And I'm just dabbing it straight into the sponge and then onto my face. For my brows, I'll take my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4. And I just tinted them, as you can see. So I really just have to fill in the gaps and make the shape around the edges a bit more perfect. Oh, I like how they're looking. Oh, if you want to know what I use, I do have a video on how I tint my own eyebrows and lashes, but it's this kit by 1000 Hour. Check out the video, because it's really fun. And then Essence Make Me Brow, Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer. I want to make my brows really snatched. And I'll also, let's do that again. I'll also put it here on my boo-boo, my little blemish that I picked at and picked at and picked at until I made it worse than it was. Okay, on to the fun stuff. I got this Stila Twig Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is gonna be really pretty. I tried it on the back of my hand. Just gonna do one eye at a time. So I swiped a little bit on the eye. It's supposed to have like a wet look. And it looks a lot warmer in the packaging, but then when you blend it out, it tones down a little bit more neutral, which I prefer, because I don't like warm colors too much on me. I just put a little bit on the brush. Kind of want to add some to the socket a bit more. I'm also just patting some Freshly over the top, because when you blend it out, some of the glitter goes. So I'm just patting some more over the top so it still looks vibrant. Clean blending brush. Let's see how good we can blend it out. I don't know if you can see, but from my blending, I feel like it's made some little lines. that I don't know if I'll be able to get rid of now that they're there and I didn't buff them out when it was like wet. I like it, but I think I'm going to use it as a base. I'm going to take this Photo Edit eyeshadow trio in #goals, and I want this brown color, and I'm going to put that here. Ooh, got in my eye. I really love these trios. They're honestly so good, and some of them have glitters in them, and the glitter ones are amazing. The highlight shade from the little trio is good as well. Okay, Tarte have these really nice chrome paints. This one's called Park Avenue Princess. It's super nice. You guys requested like a glittery look when I asked, or some people said maybe something glittery because, you know, it's a celebration. So I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna use my finger. Oh shit, doesn't play around, look at that. Whoa. Oh dang, I mean that's not what I wanted. I want glitter. Gosh. How do they get it like that? Okay. I guess that's what we're doing now. Hope you guys like it. I've never seen a product like that. Blending out the edges. There's a little bronze color right here. I'll pop that here in the inner corner. And then with a pencil brush, the dark brown, using that bigger brush, blending that out and connecting it through the socket. I'm gonna take, oh, this looks a bit off. Oh no, it's alright. It's the Rimmel Soft Kohl. Looked a bit moldy, but it's just gone like grey on the outside. I mean, I'll just sharpen it. Good as new. Putting that onto the waterline and lash line of the lower lashes. And then adding a little bit up here to the outer corner. Keep adding it and then taking a little brush to blend it out. Keep it nice and soft. Okay, now I'm just applying Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I am going to put fake lashes on, I think, this time because I do want to make this like a dramatic look. Under my eyes, Maybelline Age Rewind. There's a bunch of French words on there. Treatment concealer with goji berry and haloxyl. Okay, I'm having trouble blending that out because my sponge has gotten a little bit dry. I might just spritz some of my Too Faced Hangover. Got it all on my mirror. Great, now I can't see what I'm doing. Oh well, I look better. I'm filtered. Okay, that should help me blend it out a bit more. Yep, I was right. It's time to bronze. I'm gonna take Too Faced Endless Summer 16-hour bronzer. This one has like a little bit of sheen to it, which is probably my preferred finish of bronzer. I really like my skin to look glowy. So, oh, this one's not really showing up on me. Not that tan. Surely. Hi, come back. I'm gonna go for an even darker bronzer. This is a Makeup Forever one called Bronzer Compact Bronzing Powder. Nice and simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Then I've got the Jackie Aina Artist Couture Le Bronze, it's called, and it's a loose shimmer powder that is super intense. So I'm just gonna take what's in the lid from like last time and brush it just kind of all over there. I'm also gonna put some in here. Ooh, that makes it pop, I like it. Then I'm gonna take the Smashbox contour palette. I'll mix the cool tone and the bronze tone. This is a MAC, oh, it's the Linear 1 brush. Yes. Yes. I'm so into a light little nose dusting, like contour. I'm really, ooh, that sounds like cocaine, doesn't it? No. I'm very into a light little nose contour dusting. Blend it out. How's that? New me? Or is it a bit obvious? Let me see. Oh, it's a bit, Nose contour's a tough one, isn't it? Because you can make yourself look like you broke your nose so easily, and I feel like I've done that. Time for lashes. I'm gonna take the Lily lashes in Can. They're really nice and fluffy, but at the same time they kind of poke out in chunks, so it mimics a little bit more natural. For blush, I'll take MAC Spring Sheen. It's like an orange color. Okay, we're on to lips, and I'm gonna give two options because obviously you're eating, and I said this in the last video, but you don't want your lipstick to come off crusty and feral. I personally don't. So I would probably wear a nude lip with this look, but I am gonna show you a bright version after this. So I'm going to use Iconic Nude from Charlotte. And then for lipstick, I've got this Revlon one. I just opened it. It's called 044 Bare Affair, and it's really nice. So that's one look. And if you wear a hijab, this is what it will look like with a maroon hijab. Or something similar if you were to wear one. And then, okay, Red Rush lip liner from Max Factor. And then the lipstick I've chosen is called Flame from Bobbi Brown. There you go, that spices things up a little bit. Now the thing is, of course, Eid is a celebration where you eat a lot of food. I definitely would go for a lipstick that's easy to reapply, like a lipstick in a bullet. That's not one of those dry down formulas, because they start to crumble off and look really shit and feel uncomfortable. And I've always just been more of a fan of creamy formulations, especially on my lips. I mean, I know that those dry down formulations stay a little bit longer, but when they do start to come off, and they will start to come off, it looks really bad. Like Kylie lip kits, love it for a short period of time, but if I have to eat anything or whatever, it like starts to flake off and it's not pretty. Anyway, this one, I don't have any other scarf, so I can only show you with this maroon one. But I mean, well, it doesn't look too bad. I think it would be better with a different color, probably black. Or gold. Ooh, gold would look good. But yes, that's how it will look. That's it from me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a happy Eid. Eid Mubarak. Mubarak. Wait, someone said I was saying it wrong. I'm getting confused because Shakira's surname is Mebarak. Or one of Shakira's surnames is Mebarak. So that's what's really throwing me here. Shakira is my reason for living. And that's really confusing me because the word is quite similar for me. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this year's Eid tutorials. See you guys next year. Bye.